First of all, we want to increase our profile in Europe and internationally in order to make sure that we've got the biggest footprint possible, I think. Also, we need to continue to improve the student experience here. I think we've made some great progress. I think things are going really well, but that's always got to be our #1 priority. And I also think it's going to be, has to be a priority to deepen our relationships with partner institutions. And I think it's also very important for us to continue to have close relationship with our alumni base, which you and I both know is very important. Well, I think first of all we have an excellent academic environment. We work very hard at that. We have a very good relationship between faculty and students. There's an excellent classroom dynamic. I think it's also very useful or very interesting for students of international affairs to be able to study for a year in Europe and study for a year in Washington. Within the same context, within the same university. Looking at international affairs from a European perspective and then getting it from an American perspective in Washington, I think is a very useful way of enriching the graduate school experience. One of the advantages we have at SAIS, I think, is to make sure we are always at the cutting edge in terms of our offerings, our course offering, in terms of our faculty. This is a research university, and so we pride ourselves on being at the cutting edge of these things. No, I didn't. I didn't even know I'd be a professor here. That was quite a surprise. I came a little bit later in my career anyway. Before this I was at Brandeis University. Right. So it's a great honor. I mean, it's really something I'm really looking forward to it. And the students, of course, make it all worthwhile.